What's up guys, and welcome to vlog number 2. So with the previous one I actually asked you guys what this vlog is going to be all about, and I actually had a couple of responses. So the number one was merchandising. So currently we are busy with a company in the Cape, Cape Town. So hopefully, by the end of February, we should have our own t-shirt line. But yeah, I mean, that's all in progress. Then the other one is, I did mention, if you have any questions, you post them regarding gaming, Funko Pops, beard, pick something. And I actually got a package here, and this was sent to me from this is a new online store as well, and this is actually Beardy Co. So Beardy Co they contacted me, they sent me their beard stuff, and I haven't opened it yet, and basically they just said they're going to send it, and I can just do a quick review and show you guys what. So they send it to me, and they can say I can just basically say anything about it. So it's just my honest opinion. So I'm going to open it up, I'm going to show you, and I'm actually going to use it because it is beard products. I'm going to use it on my own beard. That being said, I'll link in the description down below. The logo should be up here as well for them. Well, this side it should be up here, so I'll link all their social media pages, Facebook, what else, Facebook, their website. It's got a YouTube channel as well. Definitely check it out. It's I love the one where you're actually showing out how to wear your beard with different outfits. That's a great one. And he's just telling the whole story of how he started, because it's still local, it's new, the prices are extremely good. And the nice thing is it's local South Africa. And the main thing is, with COVID, it hit everyone hard, and so this guy just basically saw the gap and he created his own stuff. So I'm not even going to use a knife, I'm just going to tear this open. And that being said, we're also going to launch a new channel, probably in the next month or so. That will be not gaming related or Funko Pop related. This will be more like basically everything that's happening in the world, for reviews. So if you're a local guy currently, and you have products that you want to actually advertise or get out in the market, feel free to contact us. We will actually be going down that lane with our new channel as well. So first off the bat, I've got an awesome hat from Beardy Co, and this one has got a snapback at the back. So it's original snapback. I'll show you some photos quickly afterwards. This is the logo. This is embroidered on, and then you also have it here. So headwear. So the nice thing is, currently seeing that my hair, as you guys can see, I left it with the whole bloody COVID thing. So I'm growing my hair. Why not? Seeing that 40 is just around the corner. And this is it. And I mean, I love this. This is strong material. I mean, I'm just going to leave it as is, leave it for the rest of the video. Then, okay, not destroy anything else. This is actually the box, and each one, he's actually got a video on his YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. This is everything is packed by hand. The sticker is put up by hand. So let's get this thing open. And I know how he packs this, so it feels bad just opening up this thing, but I mean, I have to review. I want to review this. I mean, I like beard products because if you're growing a beard, you basically have to treat it like your normal hair, so you have to do whatever you can with this. Okay, so that being said, it's opened, and this is what's inside. So I'll get closer up, you guys can see that. Okay, so currently we have inside you have some grooming tips. This is a sticker. No, I'm not sure it's a sticker. But the nice thing is you do get steps. So all 5 are there, so you have to trim regularly. That's something I actually need to do again. Wash your beard regularly. I do that on a daily basis. Dry beard and apply beard oil. I not always do that, but you have to, otherwise it does tend to brittle and it breaks off. Comb and brush, that I do. But I mean, it depends on which which beard comb you use as well. And then trim regularly, which I actually have to do again. And then just be awesome. That's number 5. So love this. So then we have a beard and oil, Beardy Co Oils. So it's Marchelle van Wyk. It's his company, and it's just his email, and it's just nice advertising. This is how it's packed. So they do soaps as well, beard soaps as well. So This is an awesome little beard soap. Okay, I'm not going to be able to test this, but it's got nice wax paper. And it's got a nice smell to this. So I still have to figure out, but I mean, this feels like, well, handmade. I mean, if you guys can, I wish you guys could smell this, but I'll use this in my next vlog. I'll actually give you feedback on this. Now the other thing is he sent me some samples. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put one on, but the rest I'll definitely. And this, as you can see. So currently we have the caveman, and basically I look like a caveman. If my hat is off, my hair is wild, and I just woke up, I look like a caveman. So I might put this one on. Then we have the Coffe Man, which is, I love coffee as well, so this might be nice as well. And then he's got the Citrus Man, so I assume this will be a little bit fruity. I'll smell everyone, and I'll taste one, apply one. And then we have the Forest Man. Now forest, kind of floral, so let's just pop them open and have a whiff of them. So definitely floral, well, a floral, no, this is forest. You can actually, it smells like trees, and not a bad scent, which is actually a good thing. I like that. Okay, so let's see the citrus one. Definitely a smell of, you can taste, well, not taste, but you can smell lemon. This should actually be a nice one on your beard. And then we have Caveman. Hopefully it doesn't smell like a rock. This is a more musky, don't get me wrong, but it's more potent, more man. This is a more manly scent. And then we have the Coffe Man. Wow. Now this is, it really smells like coffee. So, damn. So I have to say, this is the sample sizes. I think you will, the ones you purchase is much bigger. But like I mentioned, local, South African made. This is awesome. So I'm going to taste, I'm going to apply a little bit. So it's usually, you just take a dollop of this, put it on your beard, and then you actually just rub it in, and then you actually apply it. But there's multiple ways. You just have to actually work it in. And wow, the scent is actually, now it's actually coming through. So this you actually have to do on a daily basis, and I like the fact that this is not an oily one. So I know all the ingredients will be, definitely it's the stuff you usually get in beard oils, but the one thing I like about these is it's not that oily residue that you get, that you basically just, if you get in the sun with it, it just shines everywhere. So this is, but the smell is divine on this. So I'll definitely test out all 4, and with my next vlog I'll give you guys some feedback, and I'll definitely try the soap out as well. But that being said, definitely check out the Beardy Co down below, and if you've got a beard, I mean, the prices are insane. Definitely I'm going to support them as well, so definitely get some. And thanks to Marchelle for sending me this. So I'm just hoping this is just going from strength to strength, because I love local South African products. And I mean this, I mean the shirts and everything, so hopefully you get a bigger size, because I think I need a 3 or 4XL. But that being said, thanks for sending this, and it's going to be put to good use, I mean, definitely. And yeah, like hopefully guys you like this. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.